no food, water, or air. If we continue to not take care of the earth, this could be the world that we live in. We are doing better, but may not be doing enough to conserve the earth's health. If the earth is not taken care of, we may be faced with global warming, rising sea levels, and animals could go extinct, which could affect the food cycle. This could lead to the extinction of animals we may depend on for food. This may be an unnerving topic, but we can do things to help. Today, I will persuade you to do your part to take care of the planet and tell you why it is so important. What is global warming? Global warming is the rise of the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, according to Webster's dictionary. What causes global warming? Global warming is caused by multiple factors, such as the greenhouse effect and humans' willful ignorance. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is when heat gets trapped in the Earth's atmosphere, which is caused by emissions from vehicles and factories. Now that I've told you what causes global warming, I will tell you about the dangers of it and how it can affect our planet long term. The dangerous effects of global warming. According to National Geographic, the rising temperatures in the atmosphere can cause entire ecosystems to collapse. This is a problem because animals can die in their ecosystems because they're not used to the high temperatures, and it may kill their food source. For example, the polar ice caps melting. In the polar regions, the ice caps are melting because of the greenhouse effect and heat getting trapped in the Earth's atmosphere, which is causing polar bears and animals such as that to lose their place where they live and their food. While global warming is dangerous, it can be slowed down and potentially stopped. To help the planet, every single human needs to do their part to keep the Earth clean. So, how can humans do their part to keep the Earth clean? We could stop littering, because when we litter, trash ends up in the ocean, and if we stop doing that, the trash in the ocean would decrease. We can reduce the harmful emissions that come from our vehicles and from our factories by using electric cars, and factories could work harder to filter the emissions that come from the factories, so it would lower the greenhouse effect. We can reduce the amount of trash that we use by using recyclable containers. According to treehugger.com, we use 4 pounds of trash per day, but if we reuse containers and use paper bags instead of plastic bags, we can reduce that and recycle our trash that we do use, like plastics, aluminum, paper, etc. We can also plant more trees. Planting trees is so important because it cleans the air of the harmful emissions that we do produce and the carbon dioxide that we exhale. Trees thrive on carbon dioxide because this is what they use to grow. In conclusion, global warming is a terrifying topic and it is a dangerous thing, but if we are diligent and we educate ourselves on this topic and of its importance, we can keep our planet clean and safe, and a clean and safe place to live for years to come. I persuade you to be more careful about how much trash we produce and try to remember how to help the planet. Everything that you do to help the planet counts, so try to remember the things that I told you to help keep the planet clean and safe.